What's going on? It's your boy Kartoon here with Kartoon Review. We'll review anything that a consumer could buy. Today we're going to be looking at the indoor remote control outlet. Stay tuned. So the reason I picked up this indoor remote control outlet is I put in some ceiling lamps that connect to the wall because I didn't have like regular ceiling lights with a switch. So I bought these outlets, plugs. I'm gonna show you a little bit of it. But so I decided to pick up this. This is a real good option if you have lamps, smart things that you just want to turn on and off with a couple of switches. So it comes with 3 receivers, 3 outlets, basically receiver, and a control panel where you could turn each one of them off and on whenever you like. So let's open it up and see what we get inside. All right, some of the specs, before I open it up, some of the specs is going to be easy control. It has to be 100 feet from a line of sight, so no wall, no anything. And the good thing about it is you could plug in any 3 things you want, or 2 or 1, however you need, and it's pretty dope. So let's open it up and see what we got inside. Okay, so we got some screws, nuts, a battery. I don't know if it was the battery, but let's keep it going. Some booklets. So let's see if we need them. But we get the controller itself with a back plate. Okay, so I guess this little battery, I don't know what kind of battery is this. This is a weird battery. I never seen it. I never seen this kind of battery. It says it's a 23A. Okay. All right, and we got a sticky M3 sticky thing, and then we got the 3 receivers. Come on. You want to unplug? Ah, there you go. We got 3 of these bad boys. Ah, it was nice and tugging there. So I'm basically gonna show you how I'm gonna set everything up in the living room. So let's go to my living room. All right, so I'm right now in my living room. So these are the lamps that I installed, and it comes. I'm gonna put links down below of these lamps. It's pretty dope. And I also bought the little cable bracket cover, whatever it's called. So there's 2 individuals right there, and you can see that I could turn it on and off like that. But sometimes I want to be lazy and just hit a couple switches. I'm gonna put it probably right here near it, and then I'm gonna connect my 3rd one to this tall lamp right here. So the outlets is behind this. Let me move this out of the way. I don't know if y'all can see it. There you go. So it's a little scramble back there, but nobody's gonna see it. So let me install these bad boys and let's see how everything works. All right, so it's an easy process. I plugged everything in. Yes, I am gonna fix that. I plugged down my 3rd one right there. So let me back up right here with the little remote control. You really didn't have to press anything to do, but one side says on. Let me see, can I concentrate? So one side says on. So the first one is gonna be this one. Number 2 is gonna be that one. Number 3 is gonna be that one. So like it shows here, it's gonna say one side on and one side off. So if I turn number 1 off, turned off. Oh, right there, turned off. Number 2, number 3, which is amazing. This is really dope. It makes a lot of things easier. Yes, it's more convenient than anything. So do I recommend this for something like this similar? Yes, if you want to be comfortable. You don't gotta be reaching over anybody. You don't gotta come in from the kitchen over here. Just turn it on. That's beautiful. So I definitely recommend this. I'm gonna leave a link down below to everything that I'm showing. If you like this video, hit that like button. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. It's your boy Kartoon. Peace.